Hello, Ed 530, as we take part in this course this semester of school, families, and community. My name is Josh Bauer, and I will be your professor for this course, and looking forward to our journey as we learn more about how can we best relate with schools, families, and then the communities that the schools are in. Thank you for taking the course as you continue down your path of school leadership and implementing some best practices that way. I'd like to give you a brief orientation to the course as we start. Faculty contact is right there. You can learn more about me as your instructor and can use this email address to contact me if you should ever need to. Course information is an important spot for you to check out. Make sure that you read through the course description and the outcomes and the syllabus. Syllabus is attached right here. The required texts for the course are listed right here as well, and then other resources are listed there. As we get into the content, looking at the first part to do, please do your introduction discussion. It's due at the end of the third day of class, which for this semester would be on, the class starts on Tuesday, so this would be due at the end of the day Thursday. So it's an initial post, a 2-paragraph intro. First is describing a bit about your professional life, and the second paragraph about your life outside of work, and then reply to 2 other posts. Let's check out Module 1, which officially starts on August 21, but you can certainly get started earlier if you'd like. Connecting with yourself. This week's essential question is, how politically intelligent is my leadership? And you're going to see what I mean by political intelligence as we read through the course, one of the course texts. The required readings for this week: The Politically Intelligent Leader, pages 3 through 80. It is one of the course texts for that you'll need to purchase or borrow for this course. 3 through 80 may seem like a lot of reading, but I've also backed off on the assignments in order to give you time to really read and think through this book, and I think you'll find it to be a really good read. Supplemental reading. I've included some supplemental links for emotional intelligent effective leadership that you may check out if you'd like. These are optional for you, but resources you may check out. And then the first discussion. We're spending a lot of time in this class discussing what's important when it comes to school, family, and community relations. So, what is important? Write 3 beliefs that you think are important and include an explanation of the beliefs. Make sure that your response is reflective and substantive and advances the conversation. Put your initial response to the prompt by Wednesday at midnight and responses to 2 other classmates by Sunday at midnight. And then 1.2 discussion. Once you've read the first half of our book, what do you think? What have you learned? Are there any points that you disagree with? Add your response, which should be substantive and reflective. Please remember to include references to the reading, so you need to use at least 1 reference in APA format in your response. You do not need to include a citation at the end of your response. I'm just looking for 1 reference within your response from the Politically Intelligent Leader course, or book, excuse me. Your initial response is due by Wednesday at midnight, responses to others by Sunday at midnight. Then there's this section called Questions Anyone? This is a place where you can ask questions about assignments or course materials. I also check this very regularly to make sure that you're getting your questions answered. If you also have questions, you can just email me to the email that's listed on the course or the faculty contact information. So I'll be posting one of these videos each week as we start for each module. So Module 1, here we go. Looking forward to working with you this term, and have a great rest of your week. We'll talk to you soon.